Hello everyone, welcome to Junk Rides and Double Wides. I figured I'd do a teardown on this blender base. Show you guys what this guy. Hey. Okay. Show you guys what went wrong. I thought kind of the brushes just flew out. But there's some pretty severe damage to the commutator. Switch the camera and I'll show you. This bearing kind of flew apart. Geez, would you get out of here? It's a little wobbly in there. But anyway, you look down in here. Yeah. That, I don't think there's any saving that. Plus, this brush is gone. This one is sort of, there's a little chunk of it still in there, barely making contact. This one's kind of down on the spring. Well, there's not really anything making contact anymore, but yeah, short video showing you what was wrong here. I thought maybe I'd have been able to swap out the brushes and put her back together. Turns out there's a current fuse here, and I'll bet you there is a thermal fuse in here somewhere. Well, maybe not. Yeah, actually, it doesn't look like it. It looks like the only fuse is... And as you can see, it never even popped. Surprising. I don't know why it wouldn't have. I bent the fan while I was taking this thing apart, so that wasn't from running the thing. But that's about it. I hope you guys have a good day.